Hello everyone, my name is Mendrick Banzuela, he, him pronouns. I am the generalist for the Center for Career and Transfer Services here at QCC. In today's presentation, I'll be introducing to you LinkedIn. So the goal for today's presentation is to help you understand what LinkedIn is as a social networking platform, especially as a professional networking tool. Through that, we will also learn how to set up your account through step-by-step instructions. Once you set up your account, we'll help you utilize how to use the job and career search tool and help you begin networking with different social groups so you can expand your professional circles. So what is LinkedIn? Here I have something that's taken from LinkedIn's website. You can go ahead and pause it so you can read it on your own. But think of LinkedIn as Facebook for professionals. It's a way for you to network, to connect with others that you know, and to apply for jobs, look for different opportunities, and join different groups. This platform should be used strictly for professionalism and to portray your professional profile, since there is a chance that employers will take a look at your profile and it'll help them decide if they want to hire you or not. Now, let's begin creating your account. First, access the LinkedIn website, which you can find by searching for it on your web browser. When you get to the landing page, look for the login/sign up button, which is usually at the top right corner, in order to create your account. That'll bring you here to this page, as you can see. Choose the sign up option and put in your first name, last name, and your email, preferably one that is also professional. Once you do that, you'll receive an email from LinkedIn stating that you have just created an account using your email. Open that, as you will need to verify your email by clicking the link. Once you've verified your email and account, you'll be asked to add in a bit more information about yourself. Make sure that it's up to date and accurate. Right here, they're asking you for what your most recent job position is. This can be anything that you're currently working for, and we can go a little bit more into detail about this later. But if you don't have a job currently, simply state that you are a student and they will ask you what college or university you're currently attending. Putting down your job or college or university will let the system begin filtering jobs, companies, organizations, so on and so forth, specifically in those fields to connect you with them. Once you've added more information about yourself, you will land into the feed section. The feed section will add more information such as job opportunities, college organizations, so on and so forth, based on what you added earlier. To continue creating the rest of your profile, click on Me on the top right corner to access your profile. Here we will begin with editing your specific profile link/URL as seen with this arrow. This is what's used to copy and paste from the web browser to add into your resumes or to a job application online. You want to make it look clean instead of looking like it's a whole bunch of random numbers and letters. As long as it's appropriate, you can put in your first initial, last name, so on and so forth. Once you're done with that, you can continue with the rest of completing your profile right here in the Add Profile section. Once you click on that, this right here will pop up. These are the core sections of your profile. We'll begin with adding a profile photo. The profile photo is very important since this is how employers figure out how you look like, but also helps you stand out of the rest of the crowd and connect easily to people that you already know that are currently in LinkedIn. A profile photo should be professional and appropriate for the job that you are applying for. Remember, this is your profile. A headshot should be taken from the shoulder up with a basic background so it's not very distracting. When uploading a headshot, make sure that it is in PNG or JPEG format so your photo can upload properly. Watch out, especially if you're taking a photo in your phone, as it would come out as .heic. After your profile photo, the next section of your profile is the About section. This is the second thing that others will see when they click onto your profile. This will pop up, and in here, this is supposed to be a brief bio. We recommend you to write about yourself, your journey, and your experience in a job field. You can also write about your goals so that employers and the rest of your connections will know where you are at in your professional career. Don't forget to hit save once you are done, and then you can come back to this to edit it and update it. Next up is your education. When you click on that, this will pop up. We recommend you to add in mainly your college/university experience. For the date, just make sure to add in your expected graduation date. There's also a great space for you to input your licenses, certifications, study abroad experiences, and projects that you presented in conferences or events in school. This can also be found in the recommend section. We'll talk a little bit more about that later. You can also add in clubs and organizations that you were part of during your school time. Adding this will let the algorithm connect and recommend you with other people that have attended your school and job posting revolving around your major in school. Next up on your profile is your work experience. Here it's called positions. When you click on that, this will pop up. Make sure to add in as much information as you can, and try listing your experiences in chronological order. However, if you can't, that's okay. The LinkedIn system will organize it for you from most recent to latest. When adding in job descriptions, remember to describe them as you would in a resume. Make them brief and showcase you using your skills with some action verbs. When you're done, adding the specific company that you have worked for will also connect you with that company. And LinkedIn will recommend you any of the employees that you may have worked with to build up your network for you. The last section on your profile is your skills. And we're actually going to skip your career break. When you click on skills, this is what pops up. Now, skills are characteristics and traits that you are proficient in that makes you stand out from the rest of your other employees. These are great because when you put these in your profile, employees, colleagues, supervisors that you worked with, so on and so forth, can endorse them so that employers and potential recruiters can see what your best qualities are. And that's it. You're done. You can go ahead and use your basic profile to apply for jobs, connect to employers, and start building your basic networks. However, there are some things that we recommend you to do in order to complete your profile a bit more for employers and help others get a better understanding of who you are as a professional. Some of those include going to the additional profile section of the pop-up from the beginning. There, you're more than welcome to upload documents such as your resume and cover letter. In the education section, you can also add in test scores from your SATs or ACTs if you'd like. And in the skills section, if you're bilingual, we highly recommend you to put in that you're proficient within that language, even if it's conversational. And to expand your network even more, we actually recommend you to put in any organizations or causes that you specifically supported, as it will connect you to others with the exact same interests. Now that we've completed a bit more of your profile, it's time to expand your network. This is where the social aspect comes in. In the search bar above, you can go ahead and look up your colleagues, previous coworkers, teachers, professors, supervisors, and other professionals. Right here, we have Quinsigamond Community College open. And at the bottom right there, you see a blue button that says follow. Click that and then you'll be right connected. This will expand your network, as LinkedIn will then suggest you with connections that both you and your most recent connection may know. It's a great tool to connect with others that will help you possibly in your next job search or project that you want to pursue. Alternatively, you can go to the My Network tab and check out what LinkedIn has suggested for you. Now that you've made a couple more connections, it's time to apply for jobs. In order to begin, you can go ahead to the search bar as well and start looking for a job there. Or alternatively, you can look at the tab section called Jobs, and it'll bring you to this landing page as you see here. Here you can upload your resume and your cover letter, and once you find a job that you're interested in, go ahead and click on that job title, and it'll bring you to that job description. Check it out, see if you're interested in it, and then if you are interested in it, you can apply right there on LinkedIn or get a link to that company's website and apply there. And that's the basics to creating a LinkedIn profile to help you get started on applying for jobs and networking. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to write them down in the comment section below, and we appreciate you watching this video. We hope to see you in the next one. Bye!